in the go. Who was that? Who threw that? Chris. Shit, man. Chris, when that grenade came my way, I went, oh fuck, and just dived over there.
We all just killed Tom.
Ben's dead.
Here's on the right side, right there.
Right side, straight ahead! Contact!
Tom, have you still got one of those funny grenades? You still got one of those funny grenades? Green grenades? It's all gone, I think. Yeah. That's a shame. Where I put it? No, where's the contact from? They're all there.
I had a grenade on me. Very lucky.
Oh, jeez. Nice landing.
Thank you.
Was it? Yeah, Jack set one off the phone and absolutely filled the whole place. Yeah, combat zone. Yeah. And I was like, Jack, right. And all I had was, and tonight, Matthew, I will be.
As I come out,
Right, now it's not shit about.
Right, can you see a face? There's something in it.
Can't see nothing.
You've got orange face, you look like an Oompa Loompa.
Got some bad gas.
Look at there, it's going to show cold from here, isn't it?
It's nearly out now, I think.
Isn't it? 30 seconds.
No, it's like slow down there.
I can hear it.
Yeah?
Yeah, so thoughts on the day?
Fantastic.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What was your best part of the day?
The last game, because we managed to capture a base. Really good. Really, really good.
Would you recommend this site?
Absolutely, yeah. Yep.
Cheers, thanks a lot. Yeah? What was the best part of the day?
What was that match where it was like, not last match, match before?
The ammo tin one.
Yeah, the ammo tin match was the best.
Yeah?
Muskie's leadership failing.
What was your best player of the day then?
You said it before. You put
I remember your dad there.
it 3 times. Simultaneously, one after the other after the other.
Cheers for that. Right, yeah, so thoughts of the day?
Oh, it's been very good. I've been shocked to buggery. I think Chris has been blown up several times today. He's lost a hand or two.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Would you recommend this site?
Oh, the quarry's amazing. Never done anything like it before. It's all been wonderful. Great site, I'd say.
Yeah? Well, cheers for that. So, how was your day today?
Today was pretty damn good actually. Yeah, really enjoyed the games. Good fun out. And the weather wasn't so bad either.
What was the best game?
The one where we had the ammo boxes. Yeah, get the keys. I think that was probably the best game.
Cheers for that.
Well, thoughts of the day.
Thoughts of the day?
Well, I just had a smoke grenade blow up in my face, which you saw, didn't get on video. You missed that, it was great.
Yeah, it was alright day. New guns, both of us. Star Salart, awesome. Bit of blockage, but cool. Good games. Bit too muddy though. Slip them down slopes, but yeah, cool.
Cheers for that.
Need more exploding smoke grenades.
Right, so Ian, thoughts on the day?
Cool.
Any good, bad points?
The good points were everyone enjoyed themselves. It didn't rain, and only 4 of us got stuck in the mud.
Which is good. Bad points, if any?
Had to end.
Fair enough.
That's no, good day. Everyone played well. Good honest play. Everyone had a good time. Liked it lots.
Cheers.